Good evening, everyone. My name is Zach Howell. I'm a former Lenoir-Rhyne graduate. I graduated December 2013, and during my 4-year stay there, I played football, was an offensive lineman, and now I'm currently trying to pursue my master's degree in exercise science. Um, as far as work professionally, at the moment, I am the in-school suspension coordinator at South Point High School in Belmont, North Carolina. So I do a lot of disciplinary things. But as far as exercise science goes, I'm able to apply the things that I learned in this program with my involvement with the football team. I'm offensive and defensive lineman coach. And so I run off season, and now going into the season, summer and into the season, I get to run the exercise program. So I'm really looking forward to that, and hoping that maybe that might become a full-time position at the school that I work at, and hopefully getting other coaches on board with it. I'm also very interested in the tactical strength conditioning side of things. My best friend works with the National Guard currently as a strength conditioning coach, and my dad, he is in the military still, been in for 30 years, and my brother was in for 4 years, was a ranger, did a tour in Afghanistan, all that fun stuff. So because of that, I've had a lot of influence there, and I think that it would be extremely fun to work with that particular demographic, and I can see it being hopefully very helpful for what the PT goals are, the new PT goals are for our men and women in uniform. So, yeah, that's about me. I look forward to this class and discussing all the material with you all.